before you were born, before Earth existed, before stars, galaxies, or even time itself. Something else was here. A hidden era, a forgotten universe, a timeline erased by the Big Bang, and yet its fingerprints are still all around us. Today, we step into the deepest mystery of all. What existed before the beginning? For decades, we were taught that the universe began with a single explosion, a flash of light, a moment called the Big Bang. But that idea is changing. Scientists now believe the Big Bang was not the true beginning of everything. It was simply the beginning of our chapter. Imagine opening a book on page 300. You are not at the start of the story. You are simply arriving late. The first clue comes from a strange observation. The universe is too smooth, galaxies spread evenly, temperature nearly identical everywhere, like someone ironed the cosmos long before the Big Bang happened. This suggests something existed before our universe, something that shaped the conditions that would later explode into life. Physicists call it pre-Big Bang physics. We will call it the hidden timeline. To understand the hidden timeline, we must imagine the universe in reverse. Galaxies rewinding, stars unforming, atoms dissolving, matter shrinking toward a single point. But when we rewind far enough, something strange happens. The universe does not collapse into nothing. Instead, it becomes something else. A sea of energy, a field of waves, a place where the laws of physics behave like liquid. This is the pre-universe, not empty, not dead, but waiting. Many scientists believe our universe was born from the death of another, a cosmic cycle, a repeating heartbeat of creation and destruction. In this view, a previous universe expanded, aged, and eventually collapsed inward. Its final breath was a cosmic implosion, compressing all matter and energy into a tiny, superheated state. This collapse created the conditions for what we call the Big Bang, birth through destruction, a phoenix universe. If another universe existed before ours, did anything survive the transition? Surprisingly, yes. At the smallest scales of reality, particles behave like they remember something. Quantum patterns appear older than our universe. They act like echoes of a previous world. This memory is called quantum imprinting. It is the universe whispering, "I have lived before." Every archaeologist works with ruins, stones, carvings, bones. Cosmologists work with something similar, radiation. The oldest light in the universe, the cosmic microwave background is like an ancient mural painted across the sky. And hidden in that mural are tiny circular scars. These scars should not exist, unless something crashed into our universe before it formed. Some scientists think these shapes are the remains of black holes from the previous universe. Ancient objects older than time. If universes can die and be reborn, then time is not a straight line. It is a loop, a cycle, an endless turning of reality. The Big Bang becomes a transition, not a beginning. Our universe may be the latest in a long chain stretching backward through unimaginable ages. Civilizations may have risen and fallen in worlds before ours. Stars may have burned long before time took its first breath here. We are not the first chapter, we are the newest. Here is the strangest part. When the previous universe collapsed, almost all information inside it was erased, but not perfectly. Some traces survived: subatomic asymmetries, patterns in radiation, unexplained alignments in deep space. These remnants act like fossils. The universe is ancient, older than we can imagine. Now we arrive at the deepest mystery. If something existed before the Big Bang, what existed before that? If the universe is a cycle, where does the cycle start? Some scientists propose it never did. Reality may be infinite in both directions. There may be no first universe, no initial moment, no true origin, just an eternal chain of worlds, each one rising, flourishing, and collapsing into the seed of the next. But others suggest a different idea. Maybe time itself is a property of our universe, meaning, before the Big Bang, there was no before. Not because nothing existed, but because time had not yet formed. Reality existed in a state beyond time. Not past, not future, not present, just existence. A kind of cosmic ocean, calm and timeless, until a disturbance created the first spark of time. That spark was the Big Bang. So what was this pre-time reality like? Imagine a universe made of pure potential. No stars, no space, only a field of possibilities. A silent, waiting canvas. Then, suddenly, a fluctuation, a quantum tremor, a burst of energy in the void. The canvas ignites, time begins, space expands, the universe awakens. Our story starts. But not reality's story. So what does all this mean for us? It means the universe is not a one-time event. It is a living cycle. A breathing organism, a cosmic story told again and again. And we, humans, are tiny characters in the latest retelling of an ancient tale. We are temporary, but we are part of something eternal. If our universe is not the first, it will not be the last. Billions of years from now, stars will fade, galaxies will drift apart, and the universe will grow cold and empty. Then, like the universe before ours, it will collapse inward, compressing everything into a single moment of infinite density. And the cycle will begin again. A new universe will rise from the ashes of ours. We often ask, where did everything begin? But maybe the better question is, why does anything begin at all? Perhaps the universe is not a machine, but a storyteller. One that writes itself into existence again and again across endless ages. If so, the Big Bang was not the start of reality. It was simply the moment when the universe turned the page and began a new chapter. And somewhere in the background of everything, the echoes of older universes still whisper, "We were here before you." Thank you for watching. If you want to explore more cosmic mysteries, more hidden timelines, and the secrets of our universe, subscribe to TimeFlip Facts. The next story is already waiting.